Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So you can just go to the upper bar here, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on it once and you can enable it. You can also change some of its settings if you hold down your finger on it. So here you can allow incoming calls from anyone, from contacts only, from the shared contacts. There's also an option notify about repeat calls if the same person rings the second time within 15-minute period. You can also restrict floating notifications here, and you can set the schedule for this mode here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.